Welcome. We will start with some basic questions and then go in detail. First question: what are the most common tablet shapes which are processed in the pharmaceutical industry? You can refer below diagram of 30 common tablet shapes with their descriptions. Which factors influencing tablet shape selection? First, patient compliance. For example, children prefer fun shapes. Secondly, manufacturing feasibility. Some shapes are harder to compress. Third, drug release profile. For example, multi layers of tablets are for extended release. And fourth, brand differentiation. Unique shapes for marketing. Very important question. What are the most common shapes of tablets, their features and examples in the pharmaceutical industry? First, round or circular. These are most common, easy to manufacture and convenient to swallow. Second, oval or capsule shaped oblong. They are easier to swallow than round tablets, often used for larger doses. Third, square or rectangular. These are less common, sometimes used for chewable or sublingual tablets. How does tablet shape influence the compression process during tablet manufacturing? First, flowability. Round and oval shapes flow better in hoppers, ensuring uniform dye filling. Second, ejection forces. Flat faced tablets may stick to dyes, while convex shapes, that is, biconvex, reduce friction. Third, capping risk. Sharp edges, for example, square tablets, increase stress points, leading to capping or lamination. Very important question. Why are oval or capsule shaped tablets preferred for large doses? First reason, swallowability. Elongated shape mimics capsules, easing passage through the esophagus. Second, patient comfort. Reduces gag reflex compared to large round tablets. Very frequently asked question: what is the purpose of scored tablets and how does shape impact dose splitting? First, accurate splitting. Deep scores ensures clean breaks for half or quarter dose. Secondly, regulatory requirements. USP or EMA mandates that scored tablets must meet weight uniformity post splitting. When heart-shaped tablets are recommended, heart-shaped often used for pediatric or cardiovascular medications, where barrel-shaped or biconvex shaped tablets are recommended. Barrel-shaped or biconvex tablets has curved edges to reduce throat irritation. What role does tablet shape play in the effectiveness of entry coatings? Smooth, convex shapes, that is biconvex, allow for more uniform coating, ensuring consistent enteric protection. Edges and corners, for example, square tablets, may lead to thinner coating layers, risking premature drug release in the stomach. How does the shape of tablet affect its friability during packaging and transport? Flat-faced tablets are more prone to chipping at the edges, whereas biconvex or beveled edge tablets resist abrasion better due to their smooth, rounded surfaces. How does tablet shape influence the choice between direct compression and weight granulation? Simple shapes, that is round and oval, work well with direct compression, whereas complex shapes may require weight granulation to ensure proper flow and binding. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to channel for more informative videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.